Hello YouTube, welcome to my channel. Okay, it's a transformation video again. I'm rubbing the foundation primer. At least that's the first thing to do before you apply anything. It's a shield in between your products and your skin. Very, very important. So I'm priming her face using a foundation primer. Now over to color correcting. Now she has dark eye cycles, like serious dark eye cycles. She said she had eye issues, so she itches a lot. So that side of that cycle within her eye is dark, and I needed to color correct. So I used the color corrector, which is an orange color concealer, to color correct, because if I don't color correct it will show through the foundation. Okay, now I'm blending using the black opacity foundation in chocolate. Now you see, when you're doing makeup for a client, you need to know what the makeup is all about. You need to know the occasion, the age, the color of clothing the person is wearing. So she told me she's by the way, she's a gospel musician, and she's releasing an album, so she needed something for the album cover. Yes, so I needed to make a makeup very natural for her. So after blending the foundation, I'm now using a compact powder from my Tara, a House of Tara powder palette. Now you could see I didn't use concealer. I wanted her to wear a makeup that was going to look natural, that was just going to just look like her. So I am highlighting those areas with a compact powder. I didn't apply any concealer. I didn't even apply any brighter shade of foundation. I'm just using only the compact powder to highlight the areas I need to highlight. Now, still from that palette of House of Tara, I'm going to use a darker shade as well to contour her face. Yes. Now, I want this makeup to be something that will just make her look beautiful. Like, she's already a beautiful woman actually, but I just wanted her to look very natural. Like, it doesn't have to show while I'm wearing makeup. Just I wanted her to have a natural look makeup. So that was what I was trying to achieve. And so you could see I'm using from the same palette, I'm using a darker shade to actually contour. I didn't use any highlighter. I didn't use any contour. The highlighter and the contour I'm using is from my powder palette. I guess you understand what I'm doing. So highlighting, contouring right now with a darker shade, still using my beauty blender actually, because I wanted to have a natural look. You know, when you use your damp beauty blender and apply powder, it gives this very subtle, calm look. Yes, exactly. So I am just trying to blend everything as usual. I told you one thing with makeup is harsh lines, harsh lines. You can see what we have achieved already. So I'll still bake again with a brighter powder. I'm using a powder from Pond's loose powder. So I am highlighting those areas. At least it should just, the face should still kind of come forward in a very, very subtle, soft way. Yeah, so I'm still going back with I'm going to take my eyeshadow palette from Juvia Masquerade mini palette. So I'm going with a dark brown. You know, I just want to give her a natural look. I remember I was even arguing about her eyelashes. She wanted something longer, and I say, no, ma'am, go for something very natural. Your makeup is a natural makeup. It has to finish that way. It started that way, it has to finish that way, right? All right, now I'm going to the lips. I combine two colors, as you can see, maroon and then a baby pink. I love those colors actually, personally. All right, I am rubbing it through her lips, going through the normal routine, being very careful. So now I'm using the compact powder, now her shade, trying to like blend everything, hide the harsh lines, because of course I achieved some harsh lines during the whole procedure. So I am trying to put everything together. All right, now I'm coming to the eyebrows. Yeah, this makeup I decided to make the eyebrow last. Like, of recent I've been enjoying making eyebrows last, but then I still have transformation that I made eyebrows first. So I am defining her eyebrow. Now, while I was defining her eyebrow, my big auntie was actually sleeping. And a senior colleague in this business told me that when your client is sleeping when you're making them up, that is flattering. It's actually a good sign. It shows that your hand is gentle. So really, I have clients very often, yeah, sleeping while I'm making them up. So not a bad thing at all, though, even though it's not easy. Yeah, you have to now control the head properly, otherwise your job could spoil. So I'm just trying to define the eyebrow properly. I'll still link my eyebrow tutorial video, full tutorial video, in the description box, so you could go there and watch. So I don't spend so much time showing how I do my eyebrow on a face, exactly. So I'm just trying to define it. So but meanwhile along the line she still woke up though and was now insisting that she wanted to see how I was drawing the eyebrow, that she wanted to just have a brief tutorial so that she could do it herself. And besides, her eyebrow was groomed by me, so it was very easy for me drawing the eyebrow, because sometimes when some people have like tamper with their eyebrow is not easy, but hers, it, she came with it untouched, and I was one that defined the eyebrow, so I got exactly what I wanted. Please, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell as well, so that each time I upload a new video you would be surely notified. Exactly. So still onto my auntie and my friend. She's actually my friend as well though. So this is it now. This was where she has woken up and she wanted to know more about eyebrows. So I was just trying to explain something to her. I was telling her it's an eyebrow, you shouldn't go beyond the eye. So this is our finished look. Yes, and she was so happy about it. She wore two looks. She wore this, and then there was this other one she wore with the native. I tied her hair with a turban. Yes, she wore a black nice gown, so I used turban to wrap her hair to give her a kind of Mama Africa kind of look. Yes, because that was what she wanted for her album cover. Yeah, this is the look, Mama Africa kind of look. So please don't forget to hit the subscription button. It's free, and more transformation video is coming your way. This week is a transformation video, so thank you so much. See you in another video. Bye.